All right. GameStop split. She's at $36 a share right now. It's money season. I've got a bunch of shares now. Shares on shares on shares on shares. Anyways, hold on. Let me do something real quick. Get me set up here. Yeah. All right, let's check it out. So I took comms this morning, COMS, and it's not really I thought I was gonna hold the resistance and then break out. Didn't do it. So let's see if we can find something else worth look. Oh, well, there you go. We'll start doing some charting on that one. In the meantime, we'll let comms do its thing. But we'll do some charting real fast. We'll do it on the daily. Yeah, we'll do it about here in this range. Gotta do it fast though. Looking for zones. Yeah. I mean, that's a zone, that, yeah. It's also one. We'll call it, we'll call that, and then we'll have that. Cool. And we'll just roll with that. That sounds good. Alright, that sounds good. We'll just do something like that. Get some zones in. See how it's acting. We'll make sure all these zones are correct real fast before we do anything. They are good. They are good. Alright, here we go. It's already headed up to resistance there. But we got our support. Yep, zones are good. Zones are good. Get clapping. Top leading gainer. Tom's even doing anything. I don't think so. FAI. SK. Everything, I mean, yeah. Well. Let's put some zones on this one too, VS. Usually I like the weekly if it's got enough, if it's got enough good stuff on it. Got a zone there. We got one about there. And then we kind of got one like there, yeah. That's good. But we only need two. We only need two, and we'll go from there with our fib copy. With our fib. Put our zones on her. Very good. Very good. Very good. Keep putting the zones all the way down. They're working. The zones are working. I'm watching, making sure everything's working. Yep. Make sure everything's kosher. Keep looking. Keep watching. Making sure the zones are lining up. That's good. That's good. That's all we need. That's all we need. Start locking them in. Oh, just got an alert. Who was it? Who was it? Let me get my phone out. I don't know why it doesn't show me the alerts on the computer. What you doing, comms? Nothing. Alright. Where was the alert? LQDA. Let's look at it. LQDA. Liquidia. They got an alert when it pops down to there. Which we're here, I guess. There's more buyers and sellers. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Cancel the order. Yeah, close that. Let's go. QDA. Let's go. Take, how many can we take? We can do 7, I think. Let's do it. Let's do it. We're in there. We got the alert. Let's see what she does, because she's been holding. It looks like it. So that's good news. Anything else? I mean, this is already kind of rejected. Do I have any extra money? $3. Ah. Oh, I can take 1 share. Hey, that's good trading. Hey, that's good trading right there. Oh, it's already moving. That's why you have the alerts, baby. Them alerts don't play around. Let me tell you what. Let me tell you what. Them alerts don't play around. This one might be the moneymaker though. I need to see her down to support. Oh, I gotta turn off the alert over here too though. I gotta turn that. There you go. See ya. See ya. I might want to sell at like 5:30. What's up, man? 5:30. I want it. Tiki. GFAI's come back up on the bounce. That support. Oh. That could be the play too. Big seller at 38 though. If it breaks 38, that might also be a zone. I'm gonna put an alert. I'll put it at 3804 right there. Create the alert above 3804. Sounds good. Include extended hours. Let's go. Them alerts are everything. That's a good little move. Cause we don't got much money. We bought all our GameStop. We spent all our money already. So we're real cheapy today and this whole week, but that's okay. Let's see. Alcudia. Well, if it's gotta really break that zone. I mean, I might take the money in case these other ones come down. TKLF, is it coming down? I don't know. GFAI is not. Well, it came down to support, but I want the break. I don't want it to just come down to support. I want the break on that one because we got another support at 90. Well, we got resistance at 93 cents, and it's already broke. The support going down, it's kind of bounced up. I want that big resistance there at 93. I want that big one. So I want to see something that's going to confirm it, like a move. You know, I want that break. Uh-oh, there goes TKLF bouncing down. I don't know if I want to steal the money and go. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see if it breaks the 516 zone. I might be interested in that. I might hold that. It's already a winner. Move my microphone here. Hold on, hold on. There you go. I got the alert. Alerts don't lie. The alerts don't lie. We got more buyers and sellers. She should be moving. There was the bounce off that support, but it wasn't really the support I wanted. I think it still needs to go a little bit lower. And we're seeing that with the sell volume on TKLF. About GFAI, no. What was that one that Cash Cat was like? GEVO. Let me see if that's doing anything. Let's see. She popped up, squoze down. I kind of put the alert too low though. I might really want it like near the highs again, like 330. If it breaks it, give me 339. If it breaks 339, I'm gonna put the alert there. That's where I want it. Yeah, cause see, we're already at a kind of resistance there. I need to do zoning on that one too. Oh, there we go. We got the move there. Let me get the 530. Give me the 530 on it. LQDA. LQDA. Give me the 530 on it. While we're waiting, let's do the zoning on GEVO. Let's give her some zones. Give her the zones. We'll do one there. Do one there. Half it. And then that's all. That's how deep I want to go. I want to keep the zones kind of powerful on this one in case it moves a bunch. Yeah, that's working. That's working real nice there. And I can go deeper, you know, I can make them, I can put some more zones in between, but you know, there's always going to be zones everywhere. I'd rather have some higher time frame zones that give me a little bit more power behind them, you know. So I'd like that instead of some smaller time frame ones. That way I can focus on other stocks that are at higher time frame zones if it's not at a higher time frame zone yet. You know? Time's at 46. Well, shit, I got 5 minutes. Let's see what we can do in 5 minutes. Twin Towers happen in 2 minutes. So I got enough time. Come on. Actually, I want to put something at the high there. Let me get one more zone there at the high, that 50. Yeah. Yeah, right there. Yeah. That's perfect. So I know, you know. Okay. Tklf, what you doing, baby? She's bouncing. Alcudia. And I got filled on my Alcudia. That's why you have the alerts. That's why you set the alerts. Alright? The alerts just don't fuck around. Here we go. Let's look at TKLF. Let's look at some other stuff here. GFAI. I want GFAI. I mean, it's got a lot of room to go. It is literally at support. It is at support. I would be smart to take it, and it's trending down, and it already broke support, so I'm weary. So I'm not asking much. I'm just saying, hit near the highs. I got my alert already. Hit near the highs of this, you know, of this one that's already going on GFAI. Hit near the highs. Give me 38. And I'll reconsider getting in. I'll say it's bouncing off support. But if it doesn't want to hit near the highs, I know it's going to break support. I don't want it if it's going to break support. So right now I'm basically all cash except for GameStop. I'm just holding right now. I got the shares. They had the split today. They had that 4-to-1 stock split. And man, let me tell you, it was a good move. We're fine on that. Because I don't even need to trade. I'll just keep buying shares of GameStop. You know, I'm just trading small stuff here and there because it's going to give me the practice. It's going to keep my brain sharp for when I do sell my shares of GameStop and I'm looking to reinvest in something else. You know, what's going on next? I'll be sharp. You know, I got my moves trained. Everything's good. But really, the big money's in the GameStop. That's the big money right now. You can just see how it was moving, how it moved. That's where the big money is right now. So we're seeing support moving up on TKLF. It's at inflection now. Let's see. I got literally 45 seconds. Look at that. 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 Heading up to resistance. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Scared. It's scared. I might grab it if it doesn't, you know, the previous time. Yeah, see, I might grab it. I'm buying it. I'm buying it. There we go. And I'm gonna set the sell about 278 where the previous rejection was 278. Look at that. Come on now, bounce. Merry Christmas.
Good morning.
We got shares. What's up, Alif?
Uh, what's going on with GVO?
GEVO?
Yeah.
Let me look at it. I don't know. I didn't buy in. I just put my alert. And, you know, it just got news, and the news might not have been enough, so shorts hit it down. Or sometimes what happens is hedge funds and institutions, they have their algorithms set for news. Okay, so think of it like this: they got news spikes. So algorithms will set their shit if a news comes out with certain wording, because they've already got it predicted. It's gonna something's gonna happen with it. So they already have it set. If the news comes out with the wording, buy it. So they buy it, and then they look into the news because they can always sell it. So then they look at them. So usually they want to get early, so they bought it. And it might not have been what they wanted, so they sold it. That's why you see the huge spike, and then it's right back down, right where it was. That's what I call it, an algo spike. That's it, you know, algorithm spike. But it wasn't what I sold it off. Usually you don't see this though. Usually it shoots up and then it kind of holds because usually the news is what it is. But that doesn't mean it's not gonna not move. You know, I mean, it doesn't mean it's not gonna move. I mean, we got a lot of buyers at this level right here, so it could move again at this level, but I don't think it wants to move at 339, which was the highs. So I'm predicting the break of 339. I want to see that next move up to $4 on it. But other than that, I mean, whoop de do, you know. I got my alert set on it, and that's good. I want my alert to hit, and I'll sit here all day until the alert hits. But I'm not just gonna buy it if it's if it's rejecting like that.
Damn it, I got in at 314.
I don't know, man. I mean, I'll look at it again here. 314. I mean, you got in you got in at a zone. You got in at a support, so that's not bad. But it broke that support. It just shot back down. So, and all the volume was sells. So, I mean, I'm not gonna say sell it, but I wouldn't buy it either. I definitely, whenever before I get in, I want to have the plan. I want to have the plan. Okay, why am I getting in? And if it breaks the plan, what do you have other than the plan? That's why I got my plan for GameStop. It's a 5-year plan. I don't care what it does. If it's a 5-year plan. With GEVO, my plan is if it breaks 339, I want in. 339 is the highs. So before you get in, try and have a plan. Because that way you're safe. You're safe. If it shoots down on you, it breaks the plan. Well, that's it. You got to take the loss. Otherwise, what do you have? You're just trading and no, see, he just made an alert. He stopped out at 297. That was his plan. His plan didn't work. He's out. That's what Cash Cat just said. It was supposed to be a day trade. He's not gonna turn a day trade into a swing. Now you're just holding and hoping if you're doing that. He's not gonna turn the day trade into the swing, because then the plan's wrong. The plan's gone. So he got out, which doesn't mean it's not gonna move. That's not what he's saying. He's saying he's gonna put another plan in. That's all he's saying. So if there's anything, is have the plan. That's why we put these zones, is so we can have the plan. So we know where is it sitting at in these zones. Okay, let me make the plan now. Because otherwise, if I don't have the zones, on the higher time frame chart, it's going to be kind of hard to plan. I don't know. If it's shot up, I don't know. If it shot up and it just broke resistance and it's holding, let me make the plan, okay? Let's breakout time. Just like this, Tklf. It shot up past resistance, and it's holding in the inflection. I got the plan. It wants to go to the next resistance probably. Okay, so I got in breakout, But always have your plan. Every time. If the plan fails, you always get out. because you got to make a new plan. Always plan before you get in the trade. Some people get in and then they plan, but plan before you have the trade and you'll be all right. Shit, I gotta leave. I'm about to be late. I've been so late to physical therapy. But let's see if it gets filled with what. It'd be alright. It'd be alright. Let's see if I get filled here, though. I mean, I'm looking for 278. Let's see what GameStop's doing. And we're already on what? Is this year 2 of GameStop? It's year 2, right? Yeah. So I got 3 more years before I consider selling. And that's on me, baby. Because if it's a growth stock, which it is, the reason why it's a growth stock is because it transitioned from a brick and mortar company. Now it's going with all the new, shiny. It's got all the new accessories. Everything you could want in a growth stock, it's got. So now the plan's different. Why would I want to sell if it's growing, So that's my savings account. That's it. That's the plan. 5 years. We're at year 2. Because let's say everything's right with the short squeeze and all that. It's all right. I believe it. They are going to wait us out. I almost guarantee you. They promise that we don't have the patience. They don't know me. They don't know me. That's why I'm holding. We're looking at 278. If I get filled, I'm out. I promise. Didn't get filled. Well, that was the move I was looking for. But I'm a put. If it breaks 260, I'm gonna pop out. I'm gonna hit say I'm sorry. You're no longer worth my time. I'm gonna break up with her if she breaks 260. Anyways, I'm later than shit. I'm gonna get out of here. I'll see you later.